Hi, this is Team A, which includes myself, Brianna Young, and Larissa. This is just a report doing an analysis and evaluation of the current and past UCA student characteristics. So in this, we're going to be comparing regression models through using Excel versus the SPSS. So first, this is just our SLR, which is the simple linear regression model. It is the simplest form of the regression analysis, and it uses one dependent variable versus one independent variable. So here we are comparing the weight versus the rank. We got a good strength on our adjusted R-square, and we got a good p-value. So then here are our charts evaluating that. So then the next model we would use is going to be the multiple linear regression. So this is here our MLR. So at first we started out with all of our variables after we did our correlation matrix. The footwear had too large of a p-value for it to be a good variable, so we eliminated that. Then we eliminated piercings, and then we were left with age and rings, and they had a good p-value. They had a strong model. And then we came over here and did our charts. So then the next model we will use is going to be the CLR. So here we ran all of our variables, and then we ran it through SPSS. And then we did our double check of the SPSS, which was our age and ring. Here is our adjusted R-square. Here's where the model is good. Here are our charts. So obviously the age, it had some outliers, but if you take away those outliers, it was a good model. The ring still did have a funnel effect, and we discussed that in class. This one is linear enough, and then this one is linear. And then our normal probability plot had an S-shaped curve, which is good. That's what we need. So here, that is using it through Excel. This is an example of running it through SPSS or SPSS. You start out with all the models, and then it will slowly, or actually very quickly, eliminate it all the way down to the correct variables, which we got age and ring, and this is consistent with the Excel. SPSS literally ran it within seconds. Here's our report about using both. There's the equations. So after comparing both, we do love the SPSS. It didn't really check for multicollinearity, so then we had to redo that, but that was good. And then would we recommend? We recommend the CLR model to our customer because it is the only model that truly tests and finds out exactly what variables are correlated to one another. It did have the highest p-value, which was 0.796 compared to the SLR and the MLR. They were a little bit lower. So that is the model we recommend, and that is our group. Thank you very much.